Hi, I'm Dustin, and I love bruschetta. This is my favorite simple recipe. I like to use heirloom cherry tomatoes. You'll need a medium-sized bowl, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, a cutting board, and a sharp paring knife. It takes a little bit more time to dice them up, but the extra snap makes it worth the effort. Look at all those vibrant colors. It just looks delicious already. I like to use a good extra virgin olive oil. The balsamic vinegar is key to a good flavored bruschetta. First, I add salt, then I add some pepper. Maybe a little bit more pepper. Then, add some chopped garlic. Don't add too much because the fermenting process will make the flavor stronger. I add some dried basil before chilling in the refrigerator for an hour. I mix in the seasoning. Chop fresh basil and add before serving. It's important to find a nice fresh baguette. Chop it up into 3/4 inch slices. Put the bread on a sheet pan. Toast the slices a little bit. Place the bruschetta on a platter. And watch them disappear. Thanks. I appreciate your watching my video. Share what you think of it down below.